Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see some basic lighting techniques for your quality video content. I am Jeswyn. Let's get into the video. This is a second video of 3-part video series. Last time I talked about camera positioning. It was about how and where to position your camera to create a quality video content. If you did not watch that video, watch the video after this. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, you will not miss my videos. We are going to see 4 things about lighting techniques. The idea of lighting, 1-point lighting, 2-point lighting and 3-point lighting. When it comes to lighting, there is no fixed rules. Your creativity plays a major role in lighting your content and communicating various things and ideas. I will cover that all in my future videos, but now we are seeing basic principles of lighting. So the first idea of lighting is good lighting equal to good video, and the lighting should come from your front and never should come from your back. When we think about good lighting, we immediately think about expensive studio lights. Those are good, but that doesn't mean that ordinary lights are bad. The first thing you need to know is you don't need to buy any expensive lighting setup to create a quality video content. Any light source is good. You can make use of natural light coming through your door and windows. You can take advantage of your house lights. With that in mind, let us move on to see the lighting techniques. 1-point lighting. As this name suggests, this 1-point lighting is light coming from single source. Remember what I said earlier, this is not necessarily an electronic light, it can be any light source. When you have only one light source, you should place in front of you or you should sit in front of it. When you place 2 lights side by side, that is called 2-point lighting. In 2-point lighting, one light is called a key light and another light is called fill light. Any light can be a key light, side doesn't matter, but your key light is your main light and fill light is a supporting light, which means the fill light need not to be as bright as key light. Half the brightness is enough. 3-point lighting. 3-point lighting is 2-point lighting plus a light from your top. This light is called in various names like top light, headlight, hair light, backlight. The purpose of this top light is to give details to the top side of your body. 20% of key light is enough for top light. So that is 100% key light, 50% fill light, 20% top light. This is a good balance. There are a lot of technical things to consider, but as a beginner learner, this is enough for now. We will see that in a later stage. Finally, a fun bonus tip for you. Adding a prop to your video will make your video beautiful. Different color lights, flower vase, bright colored toys, anything which will make your video more beautiful. If you have garden and beautiful plants, make use of it. So that's all for you today. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask that in comments. Next time we are going to see about audio. If you think this video brings you some good value, like the video, subscribe the channel and make all notifications on. We will meet you in another video. Thank you for watching. God bless.